Hi everyone, welcome to Wish Fablums. If you haven't subscribed to Wish Fablums, subscribe now and click the bell icon to receive all the notifications and latest updates. So today we will be discussing polynomials class 8 AM2 classroom packages. So we are left with diamond, right? We will do that today. So looking at the first question, we have if 16x power 4 minus 8x cube plus x square minus 8x plus 4 is divided by 2x minus 1, then the remainder. So they have given f of x and g of x. We have to find the remainder. Very simple question. We will do it. Okay, so this is the given data. So g of x will always be equated to 0, as we all know that. So we were discussing here, it will be equated to 0. So first what will happen, minus 1 will go to RHS. So 2x is equal to plus 1. Then this 2 also will go to RHS. It becomes by 2 because multiplication forms come to RHS and become division. So x value is half, 1 by 2. So now wherever you find x in this polynomial, you will substitute there. Okay, so we will put it there. 16 1 by 2 power 4 minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus a plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 8 into 1 by 2 here equals to is a plus 4. So you will substitute all this now. You will solve it. How you will solve it? 16 into and 1 power 4 is already 1 only, and 2 cube is 8, 8 to that again 16. So it is 16. So 16 get cancelled. Then cube 8, 1 by 8. So this 8 also will get cancelled. 1 by 4 minus, so here only I will write 4 minus 4 plus 4, cancel it, 0, that's it. So now what is left out? We have only 1 by 4 left here in the equation. That's it, that's the answer. Option B over. Okay, very simple question actually. Now we'll look at the second question. Second question is if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x plus 2, the coefficients of coefficient are 4, 5, 6 and remainder is 0. So in this question is little bit different, just other way around, don't need to get confused. So the form of that form of the equation whatever is there, it is like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, this is the form like that, it is there. Fine, so x plus 2 will be divided, that will be g of x. So p of x or f of x we should find. Okay, and coefficient coefficients of coefficients are given 4, 5, 6. That means we have to put x square by x and that number will be given like that. And r will be r is 0. This is the given data. Okay. So as we all know, we have to multiply this g of x and the coefficient. Then we will plus remainder also, so that we'll get the polynomial. Fine. So this is the basic rule of division itself. So it's not a rule created by me or something else. It's a basic rule of division. So I didn't write this before only because the remainder is 0, right? So if 0 is added, there's nothing done that much. So there's no use also if we write that. But for your reference, it's better you will write the plus 0. Okay. Then now what we have to do, we will multiply this. How to multiply? First is x into full this term we have to multiply. Then 2 into full this term we will multiply. Okay. So let's do that. So x into 4x square plus 5x plus 6 plus 2 into 4x square plus 5x plus, sorry, I'll just try fitting it here only in the first line. Fine. So this is how we will frame it. Then we have to multiply this again. Like how you will multiply 4 into 4x square. Then x into 4x square, x into 5x, x into 6, then 2 into 4x square, 2 into 5x, 2 into 6. Same way, that's it. Very simple, right? Let's do that now. So x into 4x square, 4x cube minus, plus sign is there, right? 5x into x, 5x square, plus 6 into x, 6x, plus 2 into 4x square, 8x square, plus 2 into 5x, 10x, plus 2 into 6, 12. So this is one of the, then this is the second step. And the third step, we have to add the like terms here, right? 5x square, 8x square, 6x and 10x. So we will add this like terms. So 5x square plus, so 4x cube as it is we will write 5x square plus 8x square is 8 plus 5 you will do first, okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13x square plus 6x plus 10x is 16x plus 12. That's it. We are done with the problem. So this is the f of x. And option is A. Please note it down or you may take a screenshot. Now we'll look at the third question. So third question says, if ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is divided by x minus 2 and the coefficients of the coefficient are 2, minus 1 and 3 and the remainder is 4, then the polynomial. Same like before previous question only, but there are some but values are different. That's it. So form is also same. It is divided by x minus 2 and the coefficients are 2, minus 1, 3. Remainder is 4. Polynomial we don't know. Okay, this we have to do. Now p of x we have to find this one. Okay, let's start. I'll write the given data on the board. So same way how we did previously, same way I did this also. Like coefficients into the g of x plus the remainder, we will get the polynomial. Same way. Here we have remainder plus 4. That's why I wrote it before itself. Now what you will do, x into full equation and minus 2 into full equation. Let's do that now only. I am putting it up so that like less space. Now x into 2x, so everything as it is first we'll write ux square minus x plus 3 plus plus won't come, minus will come, minus 2 into 2x square minus x plus 3 plus 4. Okay, then now we will multiply this like this, we will multiply same way. Okay, x into 2x square is 4x cube. Sorry. X into 2x square is 2x cube. Sorry, by mistake. 2x cube minus x into x is x square plus 3 into x is 3x minus 2 into 2 4x square minus minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x, right? And finally we have minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 and plus 4 as it is. Sorry, this plus has come so long. Now let's check this whether I have written correct or not. I am checking once again. Until then you can copy it. Now this is the second step. Third step is subtracting or adding the like terms. Okay, these are like terms. This is like terms x and x square is also like terms. So first 2x cube as it is you write because there's nothing there for subtracting or adding it. Now minus 4x minus x minus 5x square, and then here 2x plus 3x is 5x and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Option is B. Okay, That's it. Solution is done. Just note it down in your notebooks or just take a screenshot. Fine. Now this matching we will see here. And here this matching 4, 5, 6, 7. Matching questions these are. Okay, fine. Now this reminder, when x power 11 minus 1 is divided with x minus 1. So what you will do, you will just equate this to 0. Minus 1 goes to RHS and become plus 1. So 1 power 11 minus 1. 1 only, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. This is a shortcut solution, right? So 1 minus 1, 0. This one, just you can do it easy, right? So you will do this. First one is 0, option B. Option B, that is 0. Then value of k in kx cube plus 9x square plus 4x plus minus 8. In this you will find the value of k, and they have given the dividend, g of x. So then x value will be minus 3 because we will equate it to 0. Plus 3 goes to RHS and becomes minus 3, right? So this one. So this minus 3 you will substitute here in the place of x and find the answer. And the answer is going to be 3. Okay, 3 is also a natural number. That's why we have both A and D. Now for sixth one, the remainder for this x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. It is divided by x only. So you will divide like this as it is. How? Okay, you will divide it and then we'll get the answer. 2x plus 1. Then answer is going to be 1. Fine. Next one we'll see. Here if nothing is given, x is equal to 1. No. You will solve that. 6th one homework. But answer is C. 7th one. The remainder when x cube minus 3x square minus... So this is not the question. Wait. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 6 is divided by x minus 3. To find the remainder for the same way, we have to equate it to 0. Minus 3 goes to RHS and become plus 3. So this 3 you will substitute here. In the places of x, you will substitute 3. Okay, and you will find the answer, which is going to be 3 only. Answer is 3 and it is a natural number. So A and D. So this previous one is C and D, because 1 is also a natural number. So with this we have completed the aim 2 successfully. Do like, share and subscribe to Wish for Blooms. Thanks for watching and bye.